Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to download and install node.js in Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. So and here our first is write in Google node.js download, and here you get official site of node.js, and here we have three options. First is Windows, Mac and source. So you should click this one. Now hereafter the file size is 17.3. So and now hereafter let's click at here .msi file. Software you need to click at here next to install. Let's click on next here. So here this software that I already installed, so I'm not going to install again. So if I write in Google, okay. So if I write in Google at here Node.js, so here you can find Node.js. So here after I'm going to install this one is Microsoft Visual Studio. So add your Visual Studio right in Google Visual Studio 2019. Here you can find Visual Studio. Now here after this is add here three tabs: Community, Professional and Enterprise. So going to use add here Community. So add here soon there are one exe file going to open. So here VS Professional exe, click on save. Now here after so add here completed. Now click on open. Now click on continue. Add here download and install completed. So add here almost done getting everything ready. Add here installing Visual Studio Professional 2009, and here you get this all workload. So add here you can find Node.js development. So add here build SQL network application using Node.js asynchronous event-driven JavaScript runtimes. So you should check this. Now hereafter you get installation details. So add here web deploy live IntelliCode, and these are optional. Now if you want, then here you can select connectivity development and here core and here this option. So here you get this option here Visual Studio syntax like all those things. Now hereafter it will take a particular Node.js size on system 3 GB. Now hereafter click on install. So at here Visual Studio Professional 2019, and here starting operation. So at here 0%, 0%. So it will take some time. So it's all depend upon your net speeds. If the net speed is the faster, you have good net speed, so it will take few second times. So at here the size is 838 MB. Now hereafter it's a 98% done. Now hereafter installing package. So total 258 packages are there. So right here installing package. Uh, so it will take some time. So now I'm going to pause the video. Now hereafter the installation part has been done. So let's click on launch. And here Visual Studio 2019 it's opening. So hereafter first time that I'm using, so that here let's click on not now. And here let's select light. You can select anyone. Click on start Visual Studio. Now hereafter let's create add here new project, and here you can select add here language. So add here going to select add here TypeScript. So if you select add here TypeScript, here you can find all the things related to Node.js. Blank Node.js console application as your node, here blank as your web application, this all those things. So it's all related to Node.js. So it is going to get simple Node.js program. Click on this one, and you have to click on next. Here click on create. Now at here you can find Node.js console app 2. It's opened. So if I going to write the program at here for node.js. So this that I already written. So at here, let's copy that one. So this is the simplest program to print hello world. So at here, going to select and here text. Now hereafter let's execute that. So at here res.in, it's a hello world hi. And here you can find node.js npm app.ts package json and hereafter readme. So this that I am executing first time so that it's taking the time. Now here you can see or debugger, listen, this all those things. Now hereafter since I have given add here 8080, now we need to use add here localhost. So add here, let's use add here HTTP. Now 8080. So if I going to open add here Chrome, let's paste add here. Now press enter. So it's displaying hello world. Because at here at this point I've written hello world hi so that in browser it's displaying hello world hi. So this is the simplest way we can write at here on Node.js codes inside Visual Studio 2019. So you can write any kind of code at this place. So this is Visual Studio is totally user friendly and it's help you to guide with the error, what kind of problem is on going on. So very friendly, coding friendly. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.